Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another amazing crypto video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Phemex futures. I wanted to show you here that I'm going to trade on Solana and we're going to take profits on this pretty much now. I'm up 23%. And I only put $65 into this trade. However, I am using 6x leverage, which means that in reality, I'm trading with several $100s. It's a value of $392 to be exact. And the move that I caught here was actually, you can take this 24 and divide it by 6. So this was only around a 4% move that I caught. However, due to the leverage, I made a 24% profit on my $65, which comes out to right around, $15, $16, 24% profit. Very, very impressive. So I'm actually going to go ahead and close this trade live right here with a market order. And there we go. It is submitted. As you can see now, I'm going to cancel these previous orders that I had, and we'll go into the order history, and you'll be able to see that I have fully locked in here. We're going to go to the profit amount, and you'll see that I only paid 30 cents in fees and made $15 from a $65 base trade, right, which is a 4% gain. This was a trade that was done, in a matter of 20-30 minutes or so. And, I did this very easily by only catching a 4% move, right? Due to the 6x leverage, I actually was able to make a 24% profit. And what I wanted to show you here is you can choose the amount of actual leverage you want to use, right? You can actually choose this very, very specifically. If I wanted to do 5.5 times leverage, I could do that, right? If I wanted to do, something bigger like 10x, for example, I could do that. It really just depends on what I want to choose. Here you can see the switch to 5.5. There I switched it to 10x. You can go up to 20x. And the great thing with Phemex is you do not even need to KYC. You heard that correctly, right? You can open a Phemex account and trade without having to provide a whole bunch of personal information. This is one of the biggest advantages of this exchange, why I like it so much. It has some of the cheapest fees around. And, what matters with an exchange like this is that it's, functional, fast, secure, and private. And that's what Phemex is, right? They really, really value your privacy. I also want to show you all the amount of coins they have for trading. For futures trading. If you haven't tried before, make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. And I just wanted to show you here for contract trading, right? They have all these different cryptocurrencies that you can trade on and, profit just like I did. Of course, you always want to be careful while trading with leverage. Things can go fast, right? If you're using, for example, 10x leverage, right? If you get a 10% price move against you, you will be liquidated, right? You'll lose what you put in. So you always need to be careful with the leverage. Anything above 10x tends to get quite risky. So it's better to say under 10x. Anything around 5x is usually fairly safe. And if you want to be very safe, you can even stay around that 2 to 3x mark, which means that, if you have $100 and you're using 3x, you'll be trading effectively with $300. If you're using $100 and you're using 10x, you'll be trading with a full $1,000, right? And it goes fast, right? If you're using $1,000 with 10x, you will be trading $10,000 positions, and you'll be able to make profit basically 10 times as fast, right? If you catch a 1% move, you'll make 10%. If you catch a 5% move with 10x leverage, you'll make a whopping 50% profit. And so if you did that with $1,000, right, you would make $500 on a 5% move. So that's the power of leverage. It is obviously a bit of a double-edged sword. It increases your risk a little bit, but you can also increase that profit significantly. So like I said, Phemex does not even make you KYC, so you don't have to provide all your personal information. So there's no reason why all of you watching this video should not make an account and give it a try, at least experience futures trading. As always, it's not financial advice, just my personal opinion. I think you will all benefit from at least learning how to trade futures and, get that extra profit that you wouldn't get by just spot trading. But if you did want to just invest in cryptocurrencies at regular spot prices and just buy the crypto outright, you can do that on Phemex. But what's even more interesting is, of course, the futures trading that I just showed you. If you're interested in signing up, make sure to check it out. There's some bonuses to the link in the description of this video. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you to Phemex for being my new partner on this channel. and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.